Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to XRP video update for Saturday 8th of October, and we are looking at some amazing journey with XRP, but today I'm gonna go on with this one with you. People do like to request that, hey, Atom Coins make an update on XRP. We want to see XRP, so here we go. Okay, so first of all, let's remove all the drawings from XRP at the moment, and let's actually have a very clear, clean chart right now. And what I do see is an amazing pattern right over here, which actually needs a little bit of a retest. So you do have some sort of a continuation pattern of W right here, broke out of it. So what I'm going to say is the following: you do have an investing opportunity right now, and we could be looking at a retest down to 0.4949 before continuing higher. But the technical target of this one after backtesting, because first of all, you do have that pattern right over here. You can say a W pattern, which is a continuation pattern. You're breaking out of it, and you've already made the bullish closing, which you haven't done. You got rejected 3 times right over there, got rejected here, you got rejected there, got rejected here. So 8 times rejection until finally you've actually made the buyers win, and they've pushed the prices higher. They've made the bullish closing. Now we need the confirmation. 50% of the work is actually done. I could actually be looking for making an entry down at 0.4934, backtest it here, and then the next technical target for XRP still continues higher, which is a good news for you guys, and that's gonna be from there to there, 586. You know, I'm looking for that 586 at the moment, and it actually does make sense. Now I'm gonna dive into the 4-hour time frame, and let's look at the 4-hour time frame as well, and you're gonna have to pay attention to the following. Okay, now this is the pattern you can see, which is very clear in the 4-hour time frame. It's making some little bit of a bearish candlesticks right now, so from here do expect it to retrace to 49 something and then backtest it here. If it holds support, amazing. If it comes down and loses, you know, this line, if it comes below 4684, this is going to actually drop even way more lower. So that the retest is going to be fail, that it's going to go inside the pattern again, and it's going to actually be looking to move even way more lower. Now what I'm looking for is the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so if you look at the middle Bollinger Bands, that's your main support line right now, because that's the last place you bounced off. You actually come down again, touch the middle band as well, and move higher. So that's the Bollinger Bands. Let's see if the EMAs have the same story. Yeah, you can see the EMAs probably the blue, you see the 55 can crawl a little bit to the upside. This one come to the 55, hold the 55, and then boom, continue with the technical target to the upside. All in all, you know the idea. Don't bottom fish, just wait for confirmation. Wait for, like, when it comes down here, wait for like maybe 8 hours, and then boom, because this is the 4-hour time frame, so there's a lot of waiting that you have to do before taking an entry. But anyways, best of luck. Let's see what happens. But before I close the video, let me tell you one last thing. Now if we go on the weekly and look at the weekly does look good, and if you do go up to that technical target, which I expect you're gonna go up to 5842, there's a huge problem at that price level. Okay, that's where you're gonna have to be very careful, because of 2 resistance that you must watch out. 2 places you're gonna have to look for. Number one is, you know, on the smaller time frame, like the intraday trading, amazing. You do have, if this one actually comes down to that area and you go up to 5.8, you can see that's a 15% move, which is pretty amazing, right? But when you look at the higher time frames, where there's hundreds and tens of percent gains and 50% of dumps, then if I drag this neckline, that trend line right over there, and consider the wicks as well or not, then you're looking for that area being a resistance. Okay, so even if it goes to 0.6, what I want to see is that XRP completely breaks out and makes a bullish closing, maybe go up to 0.7 or 0.68, and then try to come back and backtest this level. Now, what I mean by breakout is that you don't make wicks to the upside and come down. So this is going to take days to confirm, because of course we're looking at the weekly time frame. Okay, so it's going to take several days to confirm. All I need to see is a bullish closing above this line, maybe go to 0.7, make a huge volume as well, and come down. Now, keep in mind, not only do you have a resistance, which is the first resistance here, but you have a very big, huge, ugly wall. And the second one is going to be this right over there. Do you see that? Again, on the weekly, because that's your support, that was your support, that was your support, broke it to the downside, went up, and you can see even the technical targets, they all take you to that particular resistance. So you do have a chance to trade 15%, but then after that you're gonna have to be super careful. The favorable scenario is break out of those resistance and backtest, and then boom, the whole road is going to be cleared, and you could potentially make this left shoulder, the head here, and come for the right shoulder, break out of the neckline, go back up to nearly $1.7, and that's pretty much it for this XRP at the moment. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.